Hi, I'm Dr. Raj Patel from Vancouver Vision Clinic here in Vancouver, Washington. And we're going to talk a little bit about how the eye sees color. And so in order to get started, let's kind of review some of the basics of the eye. So first of all, in order to see color, we have to understand where the retina is. And so the retina is this back part of the eye. It's kind of the landing pad where all the light, all the wavelengths of light that enters your eye through here, they land back here in the back of the eye called the retina. And so the retina is comprised of two different types of cells called neuroreceptors, and they're called rods and cones. When we talk about color vision, we're really more interested in the cones. And there's actually three types of cones, and each cone is responsible for reception of different wavelengths, and they respond differently to different wavelengths. So in essence, whenever we see color, what happens is that when light enters into the eye and lands there on the back of the eye into the retina, that white light or whatever wavelength of light we're talking about, whether it's blue or green or yellow, lands into the back of the eye, and it stimulates these different cones. And so the cones are stimulated to different degrees depending on what wavelength of light entered into the back of the eye. That information then that's generated by the cones is sent into the back of, into the brain via the optic nerve. The brain then takes that information and processes all that comparative data between those different cones. And then the brain sort of figures out from all that comparative data the sum of all that information and essentially figures out what wavelength of light must have landed in the back of the eye to stimulate that specific combined response in the cones. And that, in essence, is how we see color.